Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to hide page on Google Sites or how to hide page from navigation bar on Google Sites. The first thing you want to do once on your Google site dashboard, as you can see right here, you are going to go over to the top right hand corner and you are going to select pages. After selecting pages, you will see a list of the pages on your website. And the one that you want to hide, you are going to simply tap on the three dots beside the page name. Then you will see the option hide from navigation. You are going to tap on that. And that's it. As you can see right here, it has been removed from the heading or the navigation bar at the top right here. Again, if I were to tap on the three dots beside the name, then tap on show in navigation bar, you could see it right there. So that's it. That's how to hide a page from navigation bar on Google Sites. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.